Shirin Ebadi is an Iranian human rights lawyer. She has represented consumers who have fallen foul of the Iranian political machine and has been concerned to excessive scrutiny from her personal government. She was once awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 2003 for her braveness in defending human rights and democracy. Any character who pursues human rights in Iran should stay with worry. From beginning to death, however, I have discovered to overcome my fear. 1999 interview. Shirin Ebadi was once born in Hamadan, Iran on the 21st June 1947. 12 months later in 1948, her household moved to Tehran. Ebadi studied regulation at the University of Tehran and graduated in 1969. She later received a doctorate's diploma in law in a male-dominated. If you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. Society, she grew to be Iran's first ever judge. In 1975, she grew to become the first president of the Tehran Metropolis Court. Despite opposing the rule of the pro-Western Shah and originally aiding the revolution of 1979, Ebadi was once dismayed to discover the new Islamic Republic prohibited female from turning into judges and have been marginalized from society. She misplaced her function as the president of the Metropolis Court docket and was once demoted to a secretarial position. For quite a few years, she campaigned to regain her prison career. Although her campaigns made her unpopular with the government, in 1993, she used to be granted a regulation workplace allow and was once capable to practice law. She later defined the motivation for combat for her rights. If you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. I examine my scenario to a character on board a ship. When there is a shipwreck, the passenger then falls in the ocean and has no desire, however, to hold swimming. What came about in our society was once that the legal guidelines overturned each proper that female had. I had no choice. I ought to no longer get tired. I ought to no longer lose hope. I can't find the money to do that. 2006, interview with Harry Chrysler. Shirin Ebadi is a practicing lawyer. Ebadi has been inclined to take up the instances of unpopular dissident figures who have fallen out of favor with the political and judicial establishment. In one case she represented the household of Dariush Forouer, a dissident mental who used to be murdered in his home. This was once at some point of a duration of countless grisly murders of mental figures. If you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. Allegedly with the aid of personnel of the Iranian Ministry of Intelligence. In 2000, Ebadi produced videotaped proof of Amir Ibrahimi confessing to the homicide of a pupil protester. Ibrahimi stated the homicide was once carried out underneath the root of conservative individuals of the government. This confession used to be incredibly embarrassing and, as a result, Ebadi herself was once put on trial for allegedly manipulating proof in producing this confession. Ebadi used to be sentenced to 5 years in jail, suspended, and had her regulation license revoked. This incident confirmed the risks of confronting the Iranian establishment. Ebadi has additionally been lively in growing the Defenders of Human Rights Center, DHRC, and additionally defending towards baby abuses. However, if you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. In 2008, the Center for the Defenders of Human Rights was once closed down and its places of work raided. Ebadi has stated that the human rights state of affairs has deteriorated in Iran in current years. In 2003, she was once awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for her work in promotion human rights in the face of hard conditions. For her efforts for democracy and human rights, she has targeted particularly on the combat for the rights of girls and children. The response from the Iranian authorities was once muted with growing criticism of the choice. The traditional response from the authorities used to be to say it used to be simply a political decision. The Nobel Committee referred to that the award was once partly influenced with the aid of a want to decrease anxiety between the Islamic and Western world following the terrorist. If you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. Assaults of September 11, 2001. Nobel Prize facts. There have been reviews her Nobel Prize used to be confiscated by way of the government, although they deny this since receiving the Nobel Peace Prize. Ebadi has used her excessive public profile to tour around the world talking on human rights with different women. Nobel Peace Prize winners. She shaped the Nobel Women's Initiative. She has additionally agreed to signify political dissidents and contributors of Iran's minority Baha'i community. Although Ebadi is integral of the Iranian regime, she has supported Iran's proper to pursue nuclear technology. She is towards compelled regime alternate and has cited the most necessary purpose is to promote democracy and human rights in Iran. In the closing 23 years, from the day I was once stripped of my. If you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. My judgeship to the years of doing hostilities in the modern courts of Tehran, I had repeated one refrain. An interpretation of Islam that is in concord with equality and democracy is an actual expression of faith. Iran Awakening, 2006. Ebadi is a Muslim and argues that the faith of Islam is well matched with human and girls' rights. However, in Iran, the authorities have been noticeably selective. It is no longer faith that binds women, however the selective dictates of these who want them cloistered. That belief, alongside with the conviction that alternate in Iran should come peacefully and from within, has underpinned my work. If you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel.